Good evening, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you from Carnival Cruise. I am out of the country and on a cruise, but I still wanted to go ahead and have this hangout to bring to you the information about this program that I'm starting and why I started this program. For those that don't know, I've been online since 2015, and I struggled for over a year and a half, earning absolutely nothing compared to the amount that I actually invested in most programs. And I had my breakthrough the end of 2016, where I started consistently earning a full-time income online. And I am now showing others how to do the same. The reason why I find that it's important to give people this information is because a lot of people are struggling online, and it's either because they don't know how to run traffic, they don't know what type of programs to join, or they've been scammed in past. And what I want to do is direct people and give them the approach that they need in order to earn a full-time income. What I do is I just basically give the information, I give the teaching and the coaching, and then it's up to you to actually put to use what you learn consistently in order to earn full-time. So one of the things that I notice with a lot of people online is that they aren't consistent. They actually stop promoting or stop really doing what they need to do with their online business because they feel like what they're doing actually doesn't work. And it's not the case. It just takes time to build it up. But if you are consistently doing the same thing day in and day out, it starts to be something that is easy to do, and it can actually allow you to earn a full-time income. So what we're going to talk about today is the no recruiting, no marketing formula that I put together that is going to be a cash flow towards your business opportunity that you may currently have, or it can replace your daytime job, or it can be for vacation, for kids' college tuition, or whatever you want it to be for. And I love this opportunity because you can actually start getting results right from the gate, right from the beginning, and you can grow your opportunity and have that money coming in to fund other business opportunities, okay? Now, I want to let everybody know that there is a cap on this opportunity of $3,000 per month. So for those that are trying to hit $5,000, $10,000 a month, you will need to learn affiliate marketing or find another source of income to fill in that gap. But with this opportunity, you can also do affiliate marketing, which will allow you to take your opportunity to the next level. And for those who join this opportunity, will be able to learn about how to run traffic and affiliate marketing the end of this month, because we are going to have a 7-day training where I'm going to go over how I actually present this opportunity. And I've made $50,000 in the last 5 weeks with just the affiliate portion of this opportunity, okay? So yes, $50,000 in 5 weeks, just promoting this opportunity and telling people about it. And you can do the same. Even if you were able to bring in 2 sales a day, you're talking about $200 to $250 per day, just inviting people to this opportunity where they can make a full-time income without recruiting or marketing, okay? So that's extremely powerful. What I'm going to do is share my screen with you guys. And we're going to go here to a PowerPoint presentation that I put together for everyone to just get an idea of the S3 method and what it's all about. So the reason why we call it the S3 method is because it's 3 simple steps. You set up your account, schedule your time, submit your answers, okay? The company has been around for over 10 plus years. The person that actually told me about the opportunity has been doing this for over 2.5 years. So it's sustainable. You don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and the system is down. The system has left. Somebody took your money and has vanished, okay? That's out the window. This is something that's going to work ongoing for you, paying you 4 to 5 times a week, every single week, okay? Why the S3 method? So this is an opportunity for those who are tired of recruiting with very minimal results, okay? And the reason why I say that is because most people are struggling with just the recruiting and the marketing. So now if you're able to earn, okay, quickly with a system that works, and you are able to market that opportunity in your results, right? You're going to be able to make more money because now you have the proof, and not only that, you have the confidence to continuously promote something that actually works. And that's why one of the reasons why I came up with the S3 method, because if people are able to earn on a consistent basis and scale up what they are earning, they're going to be more confident to show people about the opportunity, and more people are going to sign up because it's so easy to earn with this opportunity. So what I want people to do is, when you get involved, bring people back to these hangouts where they can get information about the system and how it works, and they can actually go ahead and learn how to promote it and how to earn with the system. It's a consistent cash flow, which I love about it. It pays out Monday through Friday, and you're going to have this money go directly into your direct deposit account. Okay. So that's the other thing I love about it. You can work from home. So for those moms and dads that are work from home moms and dads, they don't want to be at a desk anymore or working late night hours, overnight shifts, they can do this right from their laptop or smartphone. So you don't even have to really worry about getting a laptop if you don't have one. You can just link the account to your smartphone and start right from there. So that's another thing that I love about this. And, if you need additional cash flow or want to leave your job, it's good for both. Because some people love their job, they just need additional cash flow. And some people want to leave their job and they need that cash flow to leave their job, and you can do either or. So that's really two things that's really good about the S3 method. And basically, what will you be doing? You're answering questions online, verifying accounts. It comes from a third-party source. So we're getting paid from a third-party source to go ahead and answer these questions and verify these accounts. They pay out daily, and you're going to need about 1 to 2 hours per day. In the beginning, not that much, probably about 30 minutes a day. But as the months go by, you're going to need at least an hour to 2 hours per day, 4 days a week, to consistently interact and verify the accounts and do the things that you need to do on a consistent basis to earn a full-time income. And again, you can scale this up to $3,000 a month, okay? But it's going to take some time and consistency in order to do that. This is a game plan for the next 4 to 6 months from the day you actually start using the system. So don't think you're going to come in and make a ton of money within your first week. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a long-term goal. So we're talking over the next 3 to 6 months of consistently going in and basically doing what you need to do on a weekly basis to scale this up. Okay, so that's really important. And again, we're verifying accounts. Okay, so this is not like a lot of people ask me, is this survey companies where you make a penny or 2 pennies, stuff like that, where you have to be pre-approved or pre-qualified to do the work. This is not one of those companies. I wouldn't even share something like that because that's not enough money to leave a daytime job. Okay, that's just very time consuming, and it's not fun because it's not consistent. When I first got into online, trying to find a business online, I was looking at survey companies, and I did it for a little while, and I didn't like it because a lot of them, I didn't qualify for them either because of my race, my age, or my background, and it wasn't consistent, okay? And then I had to join a lot of different survey companies in order to start to qualify for some of the programs, and that was not fun. So no, this is not that, and that's not something that I would actually show people about where you can. I don't even think you can earn a $3,000 a month income doing that, okay? So it's not that. Let's go to the next. Okay, what will you learn? How to earn the fastest. Okay, so what I'm teaching is how to basically take the opportunity and leverage it, how to earn more money with the opportunity. Okay, I'm going to also teach people sales funnels. So if you want to go ahead and promote the opportunity, how to put a capture page to the sales page to an auto responder. So you have people that are consistently coming through your funnel so that you can consistently earn money, okay? And guys, sales funnels are easy to do. They're easy to learn. You just have to have the right um, platform for the sales funnel, and you need to know how to just put the pieces of the puzzle together. Once you have a funnel, the funnel tells the story for you, okay? And then most of the time, people are not going to buy right away as far as what you're looking at, but ultimately they will if you are continuously sending them emails about your opportunity. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach people how to put together sales funnels where you can show people about your opportunity, show people your results, and get people excited about what it is that you're doing, okay? And again, when you have results, it's easy to share the information because people want to see that it's something that actually works, okay? If you're doing something and it doesn't work, it's hard to get people to follow you. But if you have a system that works and you can show proof to back up what you're doing, it's an easy sell, okay? And that's the thing that I want to teach people is that if you have something that works, you don't have to convince people to do it, okay? Because the convincing is it's in the funnel, okay? So we have a really good funnel right now that's converting at about 60% conversion rates, which is really high. What I'm going to just do is teach people how to put your own capture page to the sales funnel to start generating those emails and growing that list and getting people to actually buy, okay? So that's what I'm going to be teaching. And then I'm also going to be showing people the different traffic strategies that I use, mainly Facebook, Craigslist, and YouTube. Craigslist has become my number one because it's extremely cheap to get ongoing leads, okay? And it's easy to start building your list and getting a responsive list, okay? So I'm using right now mainly Facebook for free, not Facebook ads. I am using YouTube, and I'm just doing videos like what we're doing right now. And I'm using Craigslist, but I'm using Craigslist ads. I'm actually purchasing ads that are costing me anywhere from $3 all the way up to $25 per ad so that people can see what opportunity I'm actually, what I'm promoting, and they can get more information, okay? And basically what this is going to do is allow you to become a part of the 3%, okay? We know that there's only 3% that actually make it with this business, online, marketing. There's not a lot of people that's earning a full-time income. Most of the people that are online are struggling. They're not making more than $500 for the year, okay? And we know no one can actually leave their job making $500 in a year. So what I'm trying to do, my best, is, and as long as people are consistent and they follow the blueprint, you should be able to be a part of that 3%, earning that full-time income and showing others how to do it if you follow the blueprint and you follow the strategy that's in place, okay? So that's what I'm here for, and that's what I'm here to teach. And guys, I am going to answer all questions as soon as the PowerPoint presentation is over. I am going to take the time to answer any questions that's coming up in the chat box, okay? So the results are in. How long have I been verifying accounts? I started this at the beginning of November. I heard about it in the summer of 2018, and I was extremely excited, but I was traveling. So when I kind of settled down in October, I took another look at it. Took a couple of months to see how it was performing. I was extremely excited with the results. I am now earning anywhere from $45 all the way up to $75 per day, and it's very consistent. A lot of people want to know how much do you need to start. The training is $197 or 2 payments of $127. And then for the actual, that's for the training. And then for the program, you're going to need anywhere between $50 to $200, okay? So you can start with the bare minimum, which is $50, or you can start at the max, which is $200 or more, depending on how much money you have to invest, okay? Everyone goes at their own pace based off of their time and off of their budget. It's really up to you, okay? So you don't have to ask me, well, how much do you think I should start off with? If you want to go fast and leverage quickly, you can start off with the max. If you don't have a lot of time and or money, you can start off with the minimum and just work your way up, compounding what it is that you invest, okay? We do have a Facebook group. That's where all the questions are, all of your answers are. That's where all of the proof is at. We have a lot of people. We have over 115 members currently in the Facebook group. That's where you're going to see all of the proof that this opportunity works. You have to be a paid member to be a part of the Facebook group. Okay, it's called the Insider Secret. And there's where all the questions is at, all of the answers, where you're able to communicate with other people that are a part of our S3 community and get advice and opinions, and also see how other people are doing with the system. Okay. And basically I'm going to just show a little bit of proof, and then we're going to go from there. So here's one of my accounts. Guys, it might be running slow, but just bear with me, please. And that's the thing, guys. You can get paid to any account that has a routing number and an account number. If you have a routing account and a routing number and account number, you can literally have the money go to any account. Okay. So, and no, it's not PayPal. We do not use PayPal. PayPal is shutting people accounts down left and right. This is a direct deposit into your personal checking or savings account. So right now I'm at $4,861. I had more than that, but I've actually been on vacation, so I spent some of the money. But I have been consistently getting paid from this company, and this is just one of my accounts where I have some of the money going into. Okay, so it's very consistent, and it's a way to generate a full-time income. Okay. I'm just excited about it because I've never found something that I can actually earn without recruiting. And I've been looking for an opportunity like that. And, as far as the funnels, I do use Power Lead System. For those that don't know, Power Lead System has been my go-to for funnels since day one. Power Lead System is one of the easiest platforms to use for capture pages. Okay. And they have tons and tons of capture pages that come out on a consistent basis. And it's easy to take those share codes and plug them into your sales page. So yes, Power Lead System is still my go-to for funnels. And what we're going to do is when people start setting up their funnels and they become an affiliate of the S3 method, they will most likely be using Power Lead System to generate those leads, to connect to the sales page, and run that traffic. Okay. Is there anybody else that have any questions before we wrap it up? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. What I want everybody to do is just get back to the person who invited you to this Hangout. Okay, if you're interested in getting started, and if you have any more questions, you can reach out to me, send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to help you to get started with the S3 method. I'm looking to inspire people to work from home, which is what I do. It can be done. I did not go to college for this. You do not need to have the skills, but you do need to have the mindset. Okay, it always starts with mindset. Have the mindset to win, to be consistent, and to push forward. So I want to thank everyone for coming out tonight, and I'll talk to you guys again next week. All right, have a great night.